part of the standard 10 subject science part first concepts in chapter second periodic classification of element.
Hi friends, I am Aditya. I am telling you classification of element. First introduction of element. We have learned in previous standard all the atoms of an elements are only one type. Second classification of element. Element classified into two groups, metals and non-metals. Around here 1830 elements are known as scientific world and more number elements are known in the previous curious time, and today as 180 18 elements are known as scientific world.
Doverainer traits. He made groups of three elements having similar chemical properties. Is called them traits.
Newland's law of octaves. Newland compound this similarity with the octaves in music. He called similarity as the observed in the first elements as the Newland's law of octaves.
Mendeleev's periodic law. The vertical column of the Mendeleev's periodic law are called the group, while the horizontal rows are called the periods. Law of Mendeleev's periodic law. The property of function of atomic mass.
Hello friends, my topic was the merits of a Mendeleev's periodic table. First was the atomic masses of some elements were revised so as give them proper place in a Mendeleev's periodic table, and second was the Mendeleev's kept vacant places for elements cannot discovered till then. Example for the elements not discovered till then: Eka boron, Eka silicon, and Eka aluminium. And third one was the not places reserved for the noble gases in a Mendeleev's original periodic table. These noble gases were the helium, neon, and argon. These elements were discovered end of the 19th century. Thank you.
Diameters of Mendeleev's periodic table. First, the whole number of atomic mass of element chlorota CO and nucleus Iriana is the same. Second, the isotopes have the same chemical property. Same chemical properties of the changed with the pushing and placing is the Mendeleev's periodic table. Third, when elements are atomic of the increasing order of the arranged and increasing order of the same arranged atomic number, the rise of the atomic number is the same. Fourth, position of hydrogen. The hydrogen show one similarity of the halogen group 8. For example, the molecule formula of hydrogen is H2 and chlorona is F2 and Cl2 respectively. This is of a Mendeleev's periodic table. Thanks.
Information of modern periodic law. The atomic number in Mendeleev's periodic table only indicated by the serial number of elements. Accordingly, the statement of modern periodic law state the follows: property of elements, periodic function of their atomic number.
The long form of the periodic table. Properties of the elements can be more with the help of the modern periodic table. From modern periodic table is also called long form of the periodic table.
Structure of the modern periodic table. The modern periodic tables contains 7 horizontal rows is called the period 1 to 7. In modern periodic tables having 118 places of the element, all the 118 places of element are now discovered. The entire periodic tables divided into 4 parts. S block, D block, P block, and F block. The modern periodic table shows with the help of zigzag line.
Modern periodic table and electron conformation. The element in the same group have similarity and gradation in their properties. Those characteristics of a period in the modern periodic table are because of the electron and conformation element.
Group and electronic configuration. While going from top to bottom within any group, one electronic cell gets added at a time.
From this, we can say that the electronic configuration of outermost cell is characteristics of particular group. However, as we go down, the number of cell goes on increasing.
Periodic trend in the modern periodic table. When the properties of the elements when the properties of the elements when the properties of element period on the group of a
Period and electron configuration. In the modern periodic table, electrons are filled in the same cell while going along to period from left to right being left to right and at a being to
Atomic size. The size of atom is indicated by radius. Atomic radius is the distance between the nucleus of the atom and its outermost cells. The unit of atomic radius is the picometer, which is smaller than nanometer. 1 pm is equal to 10 raised to minus 12 m.
The metallic and non-metallic character. The two types of elements, metallic and non-metallic character. The metallic character are like to the sodium and magnesium are travel to the left, and non-metallic character are like to the sulfur and chlorine are travel to the right. Then the two types of elements, non-metallic and metallic character between the silicon line.
gradation of halogen family. The group of 3 elements with the contents of the group of 17 contents of halogen family. All of the general formula is X2 with the as the gradation observed to the physical state down the group.
Then the classes, what to the like, dislike, share and subscribe.